test drive the 2018 Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, traction control, stability control, power steering, cruise control, premium sound system, power brakes, trip computer, MP3 player, overhead console. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.